10:30 में सांगिल तेने. No, see this one. Even for me, if you have called at 10:30.
This is wrong what you're talking about.
I can't wait for so long. 10:30. Though.
No, then you have.
But then answer the call, no?
Waiting, you know, from 10:30 to now.
दोनों है मुल्ले 10:30 inspection.
It is concerning our village, now. It's concerning our village, so we have to come. We have to inform us. If you are coming late.
10:30 सांगता है 12
Who है आपको लगा 10 आपको ले? It is concerning us.
आपके
It is
बेकार
concerning us.
Inspection आले स्विमिंग पुलाचे ऑलरेडी आम्ही ऑब्जेक्शन घालीत हाय 4 स्विमिंग पूल पयल फ्रांसिस्को असतान मागे आनी एक स्विमिंग पूल आता हे आनी दुसरें स्विमिंग पूल आता घालीत हाय पंचायत कांयच एक्शन घेना गेलते इन्स्पेक्शन आम्हाला ऑर्डर घेवन यो सो वी आर स्टील ऑब्जेक्टिंग आम ऑब्जेक्शन घालीत हाय स्विमिंग पुलाचे आनी आमकां आतां ग्राम सभा काडाय अजून आमलोली रिक्वेस्ट घायलोलें ग्राम सभा काड म्हूण कित्याक हे सगळे पॉयंट्स आमकां ग्राम सभा उलोवपा जाय लोकांक उलोवपा जाय घेयनाय ग्राम सभा तशेंच हिंगा आतां ड्रेनेज ना हिंग बोंगले घाटायते हे ड्रेनेज थिंगा लोकांगे बाटां वयता तेगे बाटां वयता.
We have come for this inspection. We are waiting from 10:30 in the morning, and then our fine secretary comes at about 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock. 12:30. So why should we wait? And after asking him, he's saying we have called only the punch. So what are other people are fools to wait over here?
But we are objecting for the swimming pool, which are neighbors, which us itself having problem for the water. We have very scanty water. Sometimes 5 days also there is no water. So we just request, like we just don't want a swimming pool. That is what we meant to say. And now from 10:30 till now we were waiting for the secretary and for this one to come. So he said, I asked him why you all are late. He said we didn't call you. It doesn't mean that he has to call us. It is our village, so we have to come.
What time is it timing? 10:30 timing.
Secretary, what is the time? 10:30 we are waiting.
Every time we have to wait for so long.
10:30 or you said? All are busy people.
You are not mentioned here.
10:30 no?
मैं दाखव मध्ये कौन केलं का म्हणतो
कौन कह रहा?
Secretary.
नोटीस
Temka गाँव issue but what I am asking you know when it is 10:30 you know what is the time now?
Even we are also asking because we attended the meeting like
थिंग आहे मध्ये थिंग
Ingravle hota lagon from 10:30 we are waiting now.
टाइम है 12:10 12 कैसा तुम
Recording.
अभी आगे लेना करना अच्छा पहिला रेडी करूया इथपर्यंत
This property.
This is the border?
Yeah. This is on the other. There is a structure here. There was a structure there.
Already demolition is fine.
रस्ता हिंगासान हा
तिथलं घेतलं
उदिक हिंगासान
ॲग्जिस्टिंग टार रोड
बेसो
ॲग्जिस्टिंग टार रोड 4.70 घातला तुका नाही घातला पॉईंट वाटता तुका 4.70 घेतला 77 सॉरी
कित्याक की सिमेंट घातला म्हणून हे रस्ता हिंगा
वाईट आहे ते
हे पे हिंगा परतून चेक कर मरे
आमला हे फाटल्या मेज दाखवतो होता फाटल्या ती हे आसा पळय सिमेंट आसा तो कॉंक्रीट तो तू सांगता पळय तो सो तो इतलोच पार्ट हो टार ना ती वाईट शीट
See the swimming pool, our objections are going to remain for that. There is water issue. The villagers are over here. आणि स्विमिंग पूल खबर सांगत हांव हिंगा So you see there is water issue already in the ward. Apart from the ward, it is the entire village, and the villagers have already made a representation to the panchayat. Okay, so this issue has to be. They don't want the swimming pool. Yeah, please put it. Water scarcity in the ward as well as village of Uttarda and Majorda. Anyone from Majorda here? Majorda pasu problem. In fact, yeah, it is. Okay, there is for right now also there is no water supply. Second part now, drain. See now the party has to build a drain. At this drain can complete now. Where will this water go now? Party has to build a drain, no? Because the point number 10 is very clearly saying stormwater drain should be constructed along the effective boundary of the plot, abutting and connected to the main drain. Main drain it is not there. It is not draining. It is draining into a private property, and complaint has already been raised by the party. She is over here. And there is no drainage on this side. Their house is on the lower end. They are there both the side, Franny and this one, Gasper.
Yeah. Scarcity of water in the water.
Yeah. Second is there is no drainage. Yeah. So either thing is that the drainage has to be completed over there. Further on, because that is then going into a nalla. So nalla drainage complete जावपा जायो. तेगे complaint already ha. Ein proposal गायलो ha. Azo it has not been looked into. Anto नाही था तो. होय. So either way this one that has to be completed. Then this plot has to connect it to this one, to the main drainage over here. So that has to be done.
Later that also stated no drainage is not there.
Yeah, drainage. See, there is no drainage.
Swimming pool, you said anything?
Swimming pool, I have said. Swimming pool is a complete no.
Objected.
Running by Mina bore well na no.
बोल बता देगा
हाँ? ना ये 15 meters आता. Veronica's. Bitoha. It should be 15 meters away. तुझे पैसा no? 15 meters आता. Yeah, no, madam, your soak pit is over here, right?
Yeah.
It's on the other side.
Yeah.
That side, yeah. Soak pit. The swimming pool also is on the other side.
It was on this side.
It was means what you have changed it?
No, I
It
mean
is the back.
it is on the plan on this side.
Where is किती हां स्विमिंग पूल नो आणि सोपट मिया हां सोपट नो soppit yes you know soppit is there so here madam is over here तो इंग सो तू मेजरमेंट गया नहीं तो कितो जातो तेगे बैंक ऑफ जाने party अरे how will you check
road to road but take a property without a part of
He is allowing you know.
he's allowing
He is allowing
you
you
know
know. हाँ? कसं inspection करतो तू?
कशें इंस्पेक्टरचे प्रॉपर्टी कसो तेका नोटीस दिला वचू शकतालो पण तो फाल्यां मागीर घालतलो कसो घेतलो तूं सांग आमी
तो तू यो म्हणणार आहे.
हाँ तो बायलेंस होंगे नो बायलेंस हो तो तुम मेजर कर कितो जातो आणि अप्रॉक्सिमेटली इंगे
up to there but I cannot enter his property without his consent notice
पण तेन कंसेंटेड नो तो इंगा
giving him notice I
ओके मा तू इंग सो मेज मागे
so where
सी वेयर इज द सोपट गोइंग टू कम
ठीक आहे एक्झॅक्ट दाखवली as per plan he is somewhere
ती
here
म्हणा तेव्हा दमू तू म्हणा येंगा.
ना ना प्लॅनाचे इंग हा नो
दाखवला.
इंग सोंगे तो आणि तो अप्रॉक्सिमेटली कितो येतो then revised plan as per I know we are going as per the document
रिवाइज प्लॅन घालता पडटलें
so for exact I cannot trace whether exactly from here to how distance कितले ते कळपा ना
तो इंग सोंगे नो see approximately how much it is given over here
ते approximately
हाँ see 3.20 तो इंग मोटा 3.20 so you just take a little bit
सोडला ते आणि most cases like
yeah so you max you take 330 पासून घ्या ना तो yeah so from here you take it
but if I record it again it will be wrong because it is so also परत तुका exact sure distance नाही from this to that
so मागे तो पोतो how you will do the inspection again
from
now
my side it will be wrong so to exact my answer from 3.20 I can it is not from the tar road after leaving the tar road maybe
okay then so you take if you are fine getting
so otherwise we can quickly go that's why to get safety to measurement exactly from so what is
किती
that can be taken they on record उत्तर खाला so if I take from maybe 20 to suppose I हांगासर धरले
होय
so हांगासर डिस्टन्स again it is फाल्या म्हणटा आपले पयस दाखयले then again what I have written will be wrong
so now you are saying that we have another inspection for that
not I'm not saying for inspection but from my side how wrong बरका जातले because आता it is for example 3.10 जर हांगासर maybe border लागले आसले
होय
that then after maybe 3.2 from here to here if you can approximate you can measure by 10 it is 20 right
you put approximately
but
no
again it is फाल्या म्हणटा if I measure maybe ताकेले my जायला ताकेले लस again there is a
So then how is
you
this
may
to
find
be
allegation
measured?
on me that other people that I am reporter song घातले
ना रे मागे this matter आता केस sort out करपाचे
ते तुका सांगता प्रॉपर आहे की हांवें घातले टेक्निकली इट बी बिकॉज एज ऑफ नाव देयर इज नो मार्किंग राइट एग्री
yeah
सो हांव रिपोर्टर रॉंग घालता मी कसं जातलें सपोज हांवें मे बी 15 मिटर्स दाखयले सो मे बी सेंटर ऑफ रोड आपण दाखयलो इट इज 7.70
no that's what you do no things on to comments kor more and at least take this point and from here then you can take an approximate one no that's sure
exactly I don't know what
to things on at least let the other side also be
the border that can be understood starting and border point but starting point is this
ना ना किती होणार ते वाचू ना सेक्रेटरी तुम समोर तुम approximately घे होय होय something किती झालं think किती जातले तो सोय ना you go inside man party is there no
I can where to I can measure
नाम कोणो या थिंग and is it okay we go then we go Johnny much things so in measurement घे प्रबिता
कसं कोणतं टेप होतं किती भाग
yeah
10:30 मी सांगेल त्याने
no see this one even for me if you have called at 10:30
This is wrong what you're talking about.
I can't wait for so long, 10:30.
आणि तांगे दुरी
Don't.
पॉलिसी झालो ते की त्यांका सोडून
No, no, then you have
But then answer the call, no?
I have no फोन
waiting, you know,
कोणा फोन
from 10:30 to now.
Don't know why म्हणले 10:30 inspection.
दोन असते but तेगेच प्रॉब्लेम असतो मातसो
it is concerning our village now. It's concerning our village, so we have
all
to come.
villages
We have to inform us if you are coming late.
10:30 सांगता आणि 12
Who appointed that? It is concerning us.
आमचे
It is
बेकार
concerning us.
Every time 10:30 मुटा आणि मागीर तुम्ही आता हे करायचं.
एका
होय. This is the third time now.
in the ward and in the village of Utada.
Yeah.
As stated, there is also no drainage.
Yeah.
Also stated,
yeah,
objecting
that
there
time,
is water scarcity.
Yeah. Ati drainage thing see because I want the drainage to be completed. Tege bata hoita in sogle.
सगळ्याकडं म्हाका होता आमगे त्यात भायर पडले
Already
जाता
गायला and so
सगळी त्यात कडे जाता मुगा ब्लॉक जाता
yeah. And see now this side the party has to just drain the water, no? So where side are they going to drain it?
I will tell you that there is no drainage.
Oh, drainage na. The full drainage. So you do something about the drainage, even to complete her drainage. किती I think tege bata house जाई ना उधर. तितले notes I put about swimming pool गायला है drainage खबर क्या तेगे बाटा हुई थिंग उधर and the party has to do the drainage connecting it to the main drainage so that is not there so they have to make arrangement for that okay stay on yeah so yeah I'll just read out too much
Culture what kind of stated there is already water scarcity in the ward and also as well as village of Utada. Also stated there is no drainage and so swimming pool is objecting in the area since there is a water scarcity.
Aikela
yeah.
you want to read again
आणि पंचा पहिले मोठा
we are also affected for that no? That's why we came next time just come please and my part I will always bring people I will always bring people so come on time we want to come also
We have come for this inspection. We are waiting from 10:30 in the morning, and then our fine secretary comes at about 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock. 12:30. So why should we wait? And after asking him, he's saying we have called only the punch. The what are other people are fools to wait over here? It should be a concern for all the people, no? And we are regarding this also project. We are not against. They can build anything they want. Only our main objective is what? Swimming pool. Because I am telling you about me. For the last 5 days I don't have water in my house. Just imagine. What can we do? We are not against the project. We are not against anything. But only swimming pool. We are objecting on the swimming pool. And there are few queries which they can solve it out. That's not a big problem. So people, we are trying to help the people of the village. We are not against them building something or that. Nothing of that sort. Only the problem is water. And now if it goes on like this, now today one project will come, then tomorrow another project. There are almost about 6-7 projects going to come. What are we going to do? This is the last time also I said the same thing. When you all cannot cater for the village, then why the hell are you taking all this? You all are passing everything, swimming pool, this, that, everything. Then you all say no, they'll get tankers. Or how long you are going to get tankers here? And then where the water is going to go? The swimming pool, where it is going to go? You got that gutters over there. This village is such a small place.
From Francis Costa Daktembat. Just came here regarding the construction that is coming with the swimming pool. We don't have any objection on the building that is coming up, whatever the bungalow, whatever it is. We are happy to somebody have as a neighbor. But we are objecting for the swimming pool, which our neighbors, which us itself having problem for the water. We have very scanty water. Sometimes 5 days also there is no water. So we just request, like, we just don't want a swimming pool. That is what we meant to say. And now from 10:30 till now we were waiting for the secretary and for this one to come. So he said, I asked him why you all are late. He said, we didn't call you. It doesn't mean that he has to call us. It is our village, so we have to come. He's saying we called a punch. It doesn't make a sense when he talks like that. The punch is from our village, as it is right. But then we as a villagers have a right to talk and right to stand wherever it is wrong, wherever it is not accepted. So we just wanted most of the people had come, but some of them went out because it was too late. Admitting it, instead of admitting it that they are late, they are saying we didn't invite you all. This is absolutely wrong what they talk, and I think they shouldn't continue this mistake. Even if they tell the punch member, they should inform her that they are coming late. So I hope they will continue doing the good work, and they will allow us to attend these meetings in time whenever they schedule for the inspection.
We have got no objection for the construction that is going to come up, but only we are objecting to the swimming pool as we have a water problem over here. In case if now last time there was a shutdown for 2 days, so that means that we won't get water for more than a week. It's like that over here. That's why we don't want a swimming pool here.
इन्स्पेक्शन आल्ले स्विमींग पुलाचे ऑलरेडी आमी ऑब्जेक्शन घालीत हांय 4 स्विमींग पूल पयलीं फ्रांसीस कॉस्तान मागीर आनी एक स्विमींग पूल आतां हें आनी दुसरें स्विमींग पूल आतां घालीत हांय पंचायत कांयच एक्शन घेयना गेल ते इन्स्पेक्शना म्हण ऑर्डर घेवन यो सो वी आर स्टील ऑब्जेक्टींग आमी ऑब्जेक्शन घालीत हांय स्विमींग पुलाचे आनी आमकां आतां ग्राम सभा काडाय आजून आमलोली रिक्वेस्ट घायलोलें ग्राम सभा काड म्हूण कित्याक हे सगळे पॉयंट्स आमकां ग्राम सभा उलोवपा जाय लोकांक उलोवपा जाय घेयनाय ग्राम सभा तशेंच हिंगा आतां ड्रेनेज ना हिंग बोंगले घाटाय ते हे ड्रेनेज थिंगा लोकांगे बाटां वयता तेगे बाटां वयता ते प्रपोजल ताणें केदोंसो घायलो हा आतां न्हू तुलें न्हू
हांवें घायला कुटांक तुमगे रिप्लाय दिल ना एक्शन घेयनाय ती मुगे देर बेर पेडे जाता 5,000 पडटा एक देराक म्हाका जायत लुकसाण जाता हें उदोय 9-10 जाणांक उदो येता मुगे बाटान प्रॉपर्टी
सो ते प्रपोजल घायलो तेणें तेंय भायर मारलो हांवें कितले पाटी सांगिलां थिंगा ड्रेनेज बांदून तेंय भायर मार सो विदाउट अ ड्रेनेज यू कांट अलाउ मोर कन्स्ट्रक्शन्स टू कम हियर एंड द पार्टी एंड कंडिशन घायलो हा TCPन ते पार्टीन ड्रेनेज करपा जाय आनी मेन ड्रेनेजी कनेक्ट करपा जाय मुखार ड्रेनेजू ना जाल्यार आनी केसो हाव कॅन यू अलाव सो ऑल दीज आर ऑल प्रॅक्टिकल थिंग्स विलेज लेवल इश्यूज वीच द पंचायत हॅज टू लूक इन टू सो ना तें सगळें मॅटर आतां पोतू मिटिंगे वयतलें आनी मागीर आय वील अपडेट विलेजर्स हांव पोतू सांगतलें कितें जातें बट ऑब्जेक्शन स्विमींग पुलाचें आमगे ऑब्जेक्शन आसतलें हिंगा ओके या